Yo guys, what's going on? Monday to 6 here, back with the 2004 Ford Explorer Sport Trac. And today we changed out the white DRL lights to amber, and they look awesome, super bright, and they match the Raptor grill lights. Alright guys, hope you enjoy the video. And today we're going to be switching out the white DRLs that I have in the front grill for these amber ones. They're supposed to be super bright, and they will match the 4 Raptor lights that I already have in the grill. Let's go ahead and get these installed. Right now I have both DRLs. I have the one on the right is the Cobb white DRL that I'm currently running in the grill. On both of these, looks really good. I'm just gonna try out this amber LED. It's gonna match the Raptor lights like I said. But here's just a side-by-side comparison on both of the LED DRLs. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and replace this passenger side first with the amber LEDs so we can get a really cool side-by-side, you know, depending on what you like. This was in a previous video. I did these white DRLs, so if you haven't seen that, go check it out. If not, you can see the side-by-side comparison of the white COB LEDs and the amber ones I'm getting ready to install. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, first thing we're going to have to do is remove this cover here. This side's just simply popped up. Let me grab my socket real quick and we'll take these off. Okay, got the hardware removed. Let's just remove this plastic cover here. And we'll just set this off to the side. We'll throw it. This is where I have my wires ran, right here. And I'll show you exactly how I have those DRLs hooked up. Just gonna replace them. Our tunes intake's still looking good on here. Yeah, still looks really good. Had no issues with it. And the aluminum thermostat housing, that's still looking really good down there. Haven't had any issues, no leaking. So happy with the those two purchases. But let's get back to the DRLs. Okay, let me remove this piece of hardware. That's what's holding my bracket. That is holding the white DRLs currently. So let's remove this hardware and pull out my bracket with the white DRL. Okay, now that I got that piece of hardware removed, I can just pull this back and I'll pull out my bracket that's right there. Alright, if this is your first time seeing the bracketry here, bracket I mean this is just an exhaust hanger. Just using what I have available, and it was relatively cheap and I was able to do both sides. But this is about a 16-inch piece of exhaust hanger here, and you can tell I just have the DRL taped to it. That's all it is right there. Nothing special, just bent at the top so it can bolt in right there, and just so you can see the DRL at the front of the grill. Just nice and simple, and bolts at the top, and just so you can see it through there, just like that. You can see that one in there, just so it shines through the grill. Alright, so if this is your first time seeing this here and you haven't seen the first DRL video, this is where I get my 12-volt source. So you can run the 12-volt all the way over here to the fuse box, and this will run on your accessory. So I have this piggyback here. You can see it's in this fuse slot. So just go under your hood. It'll be right there. Have the piggyback on it, and this is where I get the power for the DRLs, and simply just have a ground to the battery ground. That's it. So here's your ground, and here's your accessory power. Let me go ahead and get this old COB white DRL off here, and we'll get ready to install the amber one. Okay, I have the amber light here. Just going to peel the adhesive off the back. We're going to stick it to our bracket. Just like that. And I believe we'll have enough here where there's no LEDs. We can throw a couple zip ties on it just for reinforcement. Easy as that. Have the amber LED attached to the bracket, and I have 2 zip ties. They are provided in the kit, just securing the top and the bottom. Let's go ahead and get this into place. Okay, when you're installing this right here, if you notice your LED strip's a little crooked inside the grill, just grab yourself a screwdriver and essentially just push it to where you need it. And then you can use the screwdriver to hold it in place while you tighten the bolt up. Just find a nice center. See, look, you can tell, like, just bring it just like that. Okay, I got the amber LED strip in the grill, looking good, right where I want it. I'm going to go ahead and hook up the positive and negative. Here will be the side-by-side, here will be the white, and here will be the amber. Let's check it out. Let me know what you think. Here is the white, moving over to the amber. So here is the two LEDs. The left one is the amber one, and the right one is the COB white LED light. I like both of them. They both look pretty good. Just gonna go with the amber for now. Switch it up a little bit. Also matches the Raptor lights on there. I think it looks pretty cool. Okay, let's go ahead and get this white one on the driver's side here switched out to match the passenger amber side. Here are the amber DRLs. They match the Raptor lights pretty good. Now that we have the amber DRLs hooked up, let's go ahead and reinstall our plastic cover here. Just reinstall the hardware that you took out to remove it. The amber LED DRLs look awesome, and they match those Raptor grill lights perfectly. Really just adds a nice accent to the Sport Trac. If you like the white, if you like the amber, it's whatever you want. Everything will be down, if you want to purchase it, down in the description below. But hope y'all enjoyed this short little video of installing the amber DRL lights on the Sport Trac. All right, y'all, and as always, Monday to 6. Out.